Welcome back to the channel, guys. I have a little bit of a different type of video for today. We just hit 50,000 followers across all of our platforms. So today, I wanted to talk to you about the channel and what our plans are. But first, let's get a coffee. So I started this channel back in April of 2024, and I really had no intentions of doing anything with it. I had just always had a passion for cars, and I thought to myself, you know what, ever since I was a kid, I've wanted to be a YouTuber. And I kind of put it to the back of my mind, like, oh, like that'll probably never happen. It is so rare. So I just shut that thought down. And I thought to myself, no, go to school, get a degree, and get a job. And I did do that. And it didn't take long for me to think, wow, I really don't want to work an office job for the rest of my life. Right back. Morning. So I started Hoon House. Hey, could I just get a medium black Pike's Place, please? Can I get it like less hot? I don't know how you guys do that, if you can.
Sure, I can try.
Just like throw like 3 ice cubes in there or something.
Anything else?
That should be it.
Alright, you can pull it up.
Thank you. Thank you. Let's see if I got the temperature right. So why content? Well, as a kid, I always dreamed of having my own car in the future, making it look super unique, stand out, modify it, make it fast, loud, the whole shebang. But when you become an adult with a job and responsibilities, you realize that isn't always very realistic. The car itself costs a lot of money, mods cost a lot of money, and these things take time, especially if you want to do it yourself. So my logic was, if I started doing content, then that would force me to actually dedicate the time and learn how to modify my car. And if I can make some money out of it too, then that justifies that. And here we are. Look at how gorgeous this thing is. Damn. And just like with anything, I started off small. Started posting shorts on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. At first, I was way too shy to even show my face. I was basically just posting car edits. And then slowly, I started showing my face and then even talking on camera. And that's where I built up enough confidence to start posting long videos. And that's when everything changed. When I made the video about installing this exhaust, it absolutely blew up and it got 150,000 views. And I gained a bunch of subscribers from it. And that basically sent me over the monetization threshold, and I was able to monetize for the first time, which was a huge milestone. And since then, I've been slowly making more and more mods to the GTI. The first of which being this Golf R style spoiler, and it transforms the rear silhouette of the car. Second mod being my exhaust system. I'm sure you've seen the exhaust video by now, but that catback, you really can't drive it without it. But at the same time, I wouldn't mind it louder. And finally, as I'm sure you can tell, I wrapped it. Now, I didn't make a long video for the wrap, and I did that on purpose, and I decided to fully document everything on shorts. And it was pretty good. Pretty successful. Other than that, I do have a set of winter wheels on this thing. I love the way they look, but they are a bit soft. And I already have a really big dent right over there. What a catch! Haha! Alright, let's talk about future plans. Now, the exterior of this car is almost done. I love the color. I really like the wheels. I like the spoiler. But it is missing some aggression. And in the future, I'm going to drop it and we are gonna get a full lip kit, side skirts, and the rear diffuser. But the thing I wanna focus on the most is performance. I want this car to be a sleeper because I know how much potential these Volkswagens have. So what we should be expecting is air intake, downpipe, tune, and many more. But now let's talk about the Porsche, which is right down there. And here it is. Now, the Porsche has not had the best of track records on this channel because it is broken most of the times, and most of our videos about this car are about fixing it and not making it better. And it's quite evident by the massive oil leak under the car, which is probably the next thing that we have to fix. With that being said, the car was really broken for a while and we just got it fixed. And if you haven't seen those videos, I highly recommend you check them out. There's about 4 or 5 in the series alone. Regardless though, this car has been an insane learning experience because when you buy a new car like the GTI, you don't even get that many opportunities to learn how to fix it. And fixing a car is the best way to learn about the car. Now in terms of future mods for this car, we've made it pretty clear that we want to turn this car into a rally car. And it is not going to be easy. What that means is we are planning on putting in much bigger tires, mud flaps, raising the suspension, putting on a light bar, and making the car perform as best as it can. And I am really looking forward to it because this car is a head turner. People love this thing, driving down the road with its pop-ups, even if they think it's a Miata. Now, other than the GTI and the Porsche, which are the main 2 cars on the channel, we do also have all of my friends. Charlie, being the biggest one, is a huge part of Hoon House. Even though he doesn't live with us, which means he's not on camera as often, he's a huge part of the short videos, and we've done quite a few mods to his car too, like his steering wheel, the most recent, and his exhaust too. And that goes back to my point about making the content in the first place, because if I didn't, I wouldn't have had the chance to challenge myself with all of these technical mods that I wouldn't have believed that I'd be able to do. Now, the last big part of this channel, and probably one of my favorite things, are the road trips. Now, we've done a lot of road trips, my favorite one being the Pennsylvania road trip. And I'm hoping to do a lot more of those in the future. Now, I already have a lot of mods lined up for both the GTI and the Porsche, and Charlie's WRX too. But I want to hear from you. Out of the 3 cars, what car do you like the most? And what kind of content do you want to see with that car? Whether it's repairs, mods, interior, exterior, performance. I want you to let me know, because I want this channel to be enjoyable for you guys at the end of the day. Because no matter what, if it has something to do with cars, I'll enjoy it. As of right now, the channel stands at 28,000 subscribers, which is beyond my wildest imagination. And I want to do something with it. I don't want to waste this opportunity because I feel like it's once in a lifetime. And I'm truly grateful for those of you that watch this channel, and especially if you watch this far into the video. I'm really proud of how far this channel has come. And right now my shorts are at a place where I can consistently get 30 to 50,000 views per video, and sometimes over 10 million. That blows my mind. But I want to work on my long videos because those still don't have the same engagement. Definitely not from a channel that has 28,000 subscribers. Like I said before, leave any suggestions you have for the channel in the comments. I read every single one of them. And if you have any questions for me in terms of creating content because you're interested in starting, let me know. I'm happy to help. So if you're watching this video and watching this late into the video, I want to thank you very much. And I'll see you in the next video.